Certain recipes call out for traditional tools like Grandma's spaghetti sauce. OXO's wooden tools feature sturdy construction with updated design, so you'll find yourself reaching for these tools time and again. Each tool is crafted from a single piece of beechwood and has been thoughtfully designed. Large handles and a natural oil finish make them comfortable and durable and completely safe for all non-stick cookware. The spoons all have flattened heads on the back that stop them from rolling on the counter, but are deep enough to scoop and taste. The corner spoon features a pointed tip for safely scraping the edges of pots and pans. The slotted spoon helps to separate and serve, while the turner and sauté paddle have sturdy heads, but thin edges to glide under and flip your foods. Here's a good tip. Because we use a single piece of wood for each tool, there are no glues or fillers in our utensils.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered, holding on to what we had.